Hi, my name's Ryan Conway. I'm here to do my report on Elvis Zhang, the founder of OXY2. So, OXY2 is an organization that aims to fight pollution in smog-covered cities. And a bit of a background on their founder is Elvis Zhang was born in China and he immigrated to the US when he was a boy. And this kid's a boy genius. He graduated college already, and he's only like 18. He does a lot of research over pollution and smog, and with that research, he found OXY2 to develop methods to purify the air and help those who live in densely smog-covered cities. The goals of OXY2 is to help the people, the millions of people who live in those smog-covered areas, because smog is one of the most deadly things in an urban environment nowadays. So Zhang wants to design products that can help make living in these areas more better for everyone. Now, the approach and model is OxyD creates and sells their products, and it benefits people who live in the smog-filled urban environments. They create products like they have a face mask that has filters in them, so that like the personal air you breathe in isn't as bad. They also design these big nets that can go around buildings as high as skyscrapers, and these nets have like filters in them, so it kind of filters the air as it gets blown around the city. It's a pretty cool idea. And they sell these products almost at cost to allow for maximum distribution while maintaining the funds required to make and research more. All right, Oxy 2 is not even a year old. It's just a wee baby company, but already it's sold several thousand products since its inception, and that's a pretty good a good signal for the need and the drive for this kid and this company. And they didn't publish any financial data as of now. I am actually going to look forward to finding out exactly how this company's doing because I think it's a really interesting idea. And really, the only employee is Zhang himself. Although on the website, he is looking for talented partners to help him build and develop more ideas and projects and help with distribution. Now, is this organization a success? It's hard to tell at this point. It's a baby company and it's not even a year old yet, so it's hard to tell whether or not it's a success. But I have complete faith that with a genius like Zhang behind the wheel and with his will and drive, that we'll be hearing about this organization in years to come, and hopefully it'll help a lot of people in time to live better lives and have healthier existences. So I'm rooting for success. There is a video that I'd like to show you. Problem is this recorder only records my voice. It doesn't record computer audio, so you're gonna have to find this on the YouTube to see the video. You can find it on the OXY2 website if you'd like to visit it. I'll have the source at the end of the video. I really recommend it. The video itself is very telling on just the amount of the amount of smog in cities and the danger of living in these kind of environments are and how important it is for Zhang to do his work. And here's the sources for everything I got. The Forbes.com article and the Oxy2 website, especially the About Us page. But their entire website's pretty telling and has a lot of information on it. So that's my report. Hope you guys enjoyed it and take care. God bless.